So come out for an easy run just to get the legs ticking over. Plus also, if you look around, there's this beautiful fresh layer of snow that's just arrived. Running with Emma as well. Say hello.
Hello.
And gonna do a few drills before, which I'll show you. We're just having probably a 2 kilometer warm up, literally for the muscles and for the body temperature, because it's about minus 10 degrees. Apparently feels like minus 17 or something. Is that what you said? And do some drills to show you them, and just then enjoy some easy kilometers, go back, have a nice big smoothie. There you have it. That's just some quick easy drills that you can do at the beginning about once or twice every week, and they'll help improve your form. Higher cadence, that you're landing on your midfoot underneath the center of gravity of mass. Day today, just the extremities of living here in Finland, where you get minus degrees, snow, you get summer, you get nice 25 degrees and beautiful green pastures and sunshine, and the spring and autumn so different from each other, although most people probably say they're not. Crazy Finnish people as well. Joking. But it's just such a diverse and wonderful country. I think it's really nice as well for trail running. Just misses a few mountains, but what it misses out on, it makes up with other opportunities and other beautiful things. So many lakes, just wonderful for swimming, so much nature, 5 million people, and such a large amount of space compared to the UK where there's 65 million people roughly and so little space. I just can't understand why anyone would want to sort of live in that environment. You know, I really believe that happiness is like where from your home is, and if you just live in a crazy busy environment, you're not really going to break free of that. So putting yourself in the right environment and living somewhere that is going to bring you all the things that you want and need, then it's great. Now if you want to smoke, eat crap and live an unhealthy life, live in London, yeah, by all means. You'll feel how you are when you are there. What was that sentence? Doesn't matter. But live in a forest or near a favourite climb, or where you can go cycling or running, walking, being outdoors, getting fresh air, some peace and quiet. Well, it's only going to fold onto your life with just ooze happiness and great feelings.